that we have decided to cede our land and ourselves to them. How would anybody sign yourself to somebody without you even knowing that you did that, right? Well, that document is called the 1999 Constitution, which we have actually contested as being fraudulent because we were not involved in the drafting of that specific constitution. And that's what they are using to govern us right now. And so what we have done is to make sure that we, first of all, we ask the international community through the UN to basically allow them to answer to that specific drafting of the document where we were not involved. Okay, so I will let my sister continue with that.
I gotta get him going.
Okay.
Just to ask you one question. Do you think your House of Representatives and the Senate would draft a bill and you, the people of America, will not know about it? No. I see you as intelligent, politically minded, astute, and very smart people. But in that country called Nigeria, the Fulani is an extraction of Nigeria that taught the rest of us are dummies and investors of moronic. And we don't know. They are in the north. We are in the south. And those that are in the north believe that those of us in the south, as educated, cultured, good, and very astute in whatever we do, they can subjugate us. And self-recently, they believe that we have no right. We do not speak the same language. Our language is called Yoruba. And they speak the language called Fufude.
Yes.
That Fufude is not even registered in our country. Yes. Nobody speaks it.
Yes.
But everybody, 55 million plus Yorubas are in that country called Nigeria. Or more. Thank you.
We are over 100 million. No, we are over 100 million, but they use politics, to change the figures. For over, how many years ago now? About 1991, that was the last time I can witness when they did the last census. So since then, they've been using speculation to give us figures. So however, they want to use lower figures for us down the south, and then use higher figure for them in the north. However, their population is very low, but they have wider land space. But we have small, so they've been using that to convince people that Nigeria population is 200 million. If Nigeria population is 200 million, we have three major tribes: Yoruba, Igbo, and then the Hausas, Fulani. So they've been calling them Hausa Fulani because when they came into Africa, when they came into Nigeria, for instance, they are not indigenous, they are not even from Africa.
They are not from Nigeria.
So, but the history, they keep on changing history with politics to convince the whole world this is how this is. However, they are all lying. Can you imagine an ethnic group in that country where we have more than over 500 dialects, over 500 dialects in Nigeria alone. But Yoruba people have the largest spoken language all over the world.
Thank you.
Brazil,
thank you,
Cuba, Ghana, Benin Republic, even here in the United States. The Yoruba people here alone in the United States, we are over 1 million.
That's right.
And we are homogeneous.
Yes.
So these people that we're talking about, they are using their power to place their own ethnic group in the administration of the Nigerian government. So they're now taking over all the administration of Nigeria. We thank you for listening. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.